Hello there, bent down because I'm going to show you the single seed potato that I have for the single seed potato challenge 2026. And as you can see, it looks like I've got a double. One there, one there, one there, one there, one there. So I have got a few. So I need to cut these, but very cautiously because some of them are very close to each other. So first one is, just make sure nothing else. That's my first one. I've got one here. Two. Potentially one there. Make sure I'm not going to cut through anything else, including my fingers, because these knives are razor sharp. Now this is the fun bit. I've got two there, so I need to go across. That's an angle, and like I said, potentially that could be two. And I've got one there. So I've got five, maybe six. If I actually want to look at that closely, 1, 2, 3, and there's a little baby one there. 4. Well, I'm not going to risk cutting that. I'll put that into a pot. So I'll pot these up, and I'll come back in a minute. Pot them up, label them up. So there's my potato challenge up to now, and we'll come back in a minute once I've potted them up. Right, all I got is some little pots. Actually, had some flowers in these, so half filled. Put the potato on top, preferably with the chits up in the air. Single seed potato challenge 2026. In you go. There's one. This is the double. So what I'm actually going to do on this label, I'm just going to put a double on the back of it and see if they can cut that in future. Double. Now I'm not too sure whether put all these in pots or put some in one of the raised beds at the allotment. This one's the very small chit. In you go. For the time being, we're staying in the greenhouse. Where? I don't know. Sounds around room. The old saying, I wish I bought a bigger greenhouse, but then where do you stop? Another chit. Up in the air. Like a broken record, same thing over and over. Last but not least, this compost is pretty damp anyway, so I will not be watering it as yet. So there we go. That was my single seed potato challenge for 2026. Good luck, guys and girls and the little kiddies.